Welcome to my channel OKEH. How are you today? Hope you always have a nice day. This time I will discuss about the easiest way to patch a leaking water can. Look at the red circle. It looks like it's flowing, doesn't it? Keep watching my video until the end, so that you know how to do it step by step. It's very clear that it's not a leak. From which country are you from? I really enjoy getting to know people all over the world. Have you subscribed to my channel? I would like to thank those who have subscribed to my channel. And I really hope you subscribe to my channel by pressing the subscribe button. We mark with a marker the leaking area. After that, we take sandpaper to clean the leaking area from dirt. Sand evenly. Do it carefully so that the results are satisfactory. After that, clean the area using a cloth. Root whole area clean of all dirt. After that, take the toothpaste container. After that, we cut it. Let's form a circle where the toothpaste was used. After that, heat the whole area. I use a portable lighter to heat. Once it feels hot enough, stick the toothpaste into the hole. Let's try filling it with water. Then we boil until it boils. We wait a few minutes until the water boils. The water is boiling, isn't it? Let's see. Look at the bottom of the pan. Surprising, isn't it? Water no longer leaks. Can function perfectly. Don't forget to press the like button and subscribe and share with friends. See you in the next video.